Kumudu came to my life in 2015. She didn't speak a word of English and I didn't speak a single word of Sinhalese. But we managed to communicate through the language of love. There is a joke in the family that now I know more words in Sinhalese than Kumudu in English. Hello, Namaste, Salaam, Sat Sri Akal. I'm Piyali Mutha and today Kumudu will cook Isso Curry, that is Sri Lankan Prawn Curry for us. In hot oil, add garlic, ginger, fry till fragrant. Add onions, curry leaves, Sri Lankan cinnamon, green chillies, tomatoes, pandan leaves and fry nicely. Add salt, Sri Lankan curry powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder and mix well. Add coconut milk and stir. Cook for a few minutes before adding the prawns. The prawns have been marinated with vinegar, salt and turmeric and washed thoroughly earlier. After adding the prawns, cover and cook for a few minutes only. Prawns cook quickly and harden with prolonged cooking. Serve the Isso curry with rice, ala tel dala, bonchi curry and goa mellum.